Wake well past midnight to the burden of bills and the screaming quiet. We swam along just fine, and then she broke her back and the bank broke mine. Now I'm at the kitchen table putting numbers on the paper and dodging the mirror on the wall. And I swear I'd drive till the sun gave light. I need just a little push is all. And I build my boat so tall, so wide, but I'm still waiting on the river to rise. I was born by the book. I keep my carpet clean and my money earned. Why is the TV man always smiling at me? I wonder who he burned. Now how come everybody for the common man never looks quite like me? Well, they're running on the sun with their shoes undone, yet they never seem to burn their feet. And I build my boat so tall, so wide, but I'm still waiting on the river to ride.